duty. The sub-county director, the deputy director. Yes.
Why do you warm water in a very hot climate? I came here. This building has how many children? 400. This building. Tell me how.
One per person.
So this is good. But the back
For the children, what they have.
you can create many What do you want? I'm here at the Bungoma DEB primary school because it is one of the largest primary schools in this country. I wanted to come here because it is housing more than 3,000 children, and looked at the efforts of the head teacher and the chair of the Board of Management with regard to preparing towards opening in 2021 in January. You have seen that they have still got a long way to go, because even without the corona, they had up to 100 children in a classroom. And so as far as infrastructure is concerned, the government is going to try very hard to ensure that we expand infrastructure here with regards to classrooms. We are providing a market. We want to construct 4 classrooms very quickly from the government side, and I'm told from the CDF side they are providing 700,000 shillings, and that's why I'm here to assess for myself so that we know what kind of help to provide. I've been to many other schools, but the ones that make me not sleep are the ones that are as large as this, knowing very well that quite a sizable number of children who come here must be coming from very poor background. They shall not be and they must not be levied. Chair of the... Yes. It must be voluntary, and I'm sure out of the 2,000 or so parents, you may find to ensure that children who come to this school are safe from COVID. Now, the option to community learning is to wait until January 2021. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? It is like whether we go this side, we are wrong. Whether we go this side, we are wrong. Where are you? And the children are yours. We can't open schools until corona is under control. That one you can take to the bank. Are we together? Would you take your children to school if we open them tomorrow? Who would? Me, I would not take my grandchild near any school. And we have got the Parents Association led by Mr. Mayo, who has consulted all the parents in this country, and the parents have said for the upteenth time that corona must be controlled, the curve must flatten before they allow their children to go back to school. Yeah? Public Service Commission conducted interviews, identified the Vice Chancellor, 3 of them, so that the council would appoint one. But before the council could appoint one, after consultation, some busybodies went to court and actually pointed something out which was very serious, that the former chair of council participated in the interview. Are we together? The law as is now bars the council from any direct participation in the interview. I'm in the process of changing that law to empower the various councils to be the ones to conduct the interviews and then forward the names for concurrence, then they appoint one after concurrence. So the way it is now, it looks like the process that was that is in the courts is there. Until that person who went to court goes and withdraws it, it's like this excellent university will continue to wallow under acting leadership. It is because of this, let me say, not very interesting politics around this area. This is a university, it's not a political party.